A new FreeCAD version has been released. It's time for version 1.1. On their website, click on Download, and there you see what the current stable version is. FreeCAD is available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. In this video, the Windows installer version will be demonstrated. You can click on Next until you reach the Install button. Then click on the Install button and wait for it. When it's done, you can choose to check the Launch FreeCAD box. Click on Finish and FreeCAD will be launched directly. When a previous FreeCAD version is still installed, you can choose to migrate the configuration to the new version. FreeCAD will be relaunched. From now on, my tutorials will be done with this stable 1.1 version of FreeCAD. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.